Class, listen up. Let's do number 7. Shh. Let's do number 7. Joseph, head up. You guys are going to tell me what to do on number 7. 3, 2. All right, guys, I want you to go ahead, Joseph, and circle this because why would you think I want you to circle it? Similar one, right? Similar problem. Here's how this works. You simplify the top. You simplify the top and the bottom, and then you simplify it as a fraction, okay? We're going to simplify the tops, make sure the bottom is simplified, which the bottom already is. Once you do that, we simplify the overall fraction, okay? So on top, order of operations, what is the first thing we always do? And we treat our absolute value symbols like the parentheses, right? Don't we? So we do that first. 6 minus 9. What's 6 minus 9, class?
-3.
Yes, -3. And if you're not sure, draw it out. 6 positives and 9 negatives. That's 6 minus 9, right? Y'all see the 0 pairs?
Yeah.
They cancel. After they cancel out, what are they left with?
I don't know.
-3.
Oh.
So everything else stays the same. Everything else stays the same. I'm not done with these absolute value symbol yet, though, because I need to know what is the absolute value of -3, class?
3.
3. It's 3, right? Because it's 3 spaces
right.
away from 0. So this will be 3
3.
plus 3 divided by 3.
Say it with an accent.
So now my parentheses are done on top, right?
Yeah.
Do I have any exponents on top?
No.
Do I have any multiplication or division on top?
No.
Do I have any addition or subtraction on top? Yes, so I'm going to go and do that. 3 plus 3 is 6 divided by 3. Now that we simplify the bottom and the top, we can simplify that fraction. This could be either 6/3 or 6 divided by 3. What is 6 divided by 3?
Oh, I knew it.
Get it?
Mm-hmm.
How many people understand that problem? Yeah, you see a real show of hands. Daniel, head up. Real show of hands. How many people understand that problem? Okay. Daniel, did you get that?
Mom.
Did you get the answer?
Okay.
Let's see here.
No, not me. Okay, we're getting attacked by a wild somebody.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen,
Goodbye, Mr. Smith.
ladies and gentlemen,
Goodbye.
here's what I want to do.
Have a good one.
Here's what I want to do real quick. Something that I know you guys can do real quick. What are we on, number 8? Number 8, I want you to simplify. Do this on your own though. Simplify the expression. Number 8, number 9. Do those on your own real quick. These are easy.
See.
Do it real quick on your paper.
Wait, I think these.
These are providing expression equations. I bet you guys can figure out what you're supposed to do. It's a property. What property is it?
Oh,
What property you got to do here?
the property.
What property you got to do? Do it.
It's too complicated.
Guys, trust me. If you guys do this stuff, you're going to do awesome on the test.
Do you know how many questions it is?
10 questions.
The test?
Uh-huh.
Oh.
It's only 10 questions.
I thought it was gonna be like
Friday.
1,000.
It's on Friday. It's 10 questions. Nothing harder than what we've done so far. No. Yes.
Uh-oh.
Paper? Oh, yeah.
All the other kids with the pump
All right.
checks.
Number 8, what do we do to solve this, you guys? Distributive property, that's right. This is a distributive property problem. So I do -2 times 5y and -2 times -7. Now look here, guys, this is important. The signs are really important here. -2 times 5y is what, class? -10y. The signs are different, so we get a negative.
-14.
But here's the part that's really important, you guys. Pay attention. -2 times what? You guys got that? -2 times -7. The signs are the same. So what do I get there?
Oh.
Positive. So plus
Got it.
14. And I'm going to underline, I'm going to circle that plus. You guys know to really pay attention to that. Circle that plus. So when you study, you guys know what's going on there, right? Then the last one.
The bitch from the hilly.
3 times x is what, class? 3x. And 3 times -4 is what, class? -12. So there's our answers. All right, now listen carefully. Listen carefully. Thursday, this is what's due to me on Thursday, because I'm going to make you guys study for this test, okay? This is what's due Thursday. I want 2 things from you. And I'm going to come and check on Thursday to make sure everyone has all
Oh,
these.
we almost got caught. Again.
I want to see the copy of the notes. The copy of the notes that you took today on Thursday. I want to see it, okay? And then I need to see a second copy of it. Look at me, look at me, look at me. You have to recopy this down and go through every step and study. So how many copies of this do I expect from you on Thursday?
2. Dose.
Do I want you, listen, no, don't stop. I'm not going to let you guys out until it's time. Stop. Do I want you to copy this mindlessly?
I have
No,
idea.
I want you to copy it, paying attention to each step and making sure you understand each step. If you do that, and then you come to me on Thursday and ask questions, on Friday when we have the test, guess what? You're going to do fantastic.
Oh my
Okay?
God.
If I don't get
Can I get this to
these
my
2
friend?
copies, Alexis, stop talking. For the love of God, stop talking.
I was talking to myself.
If I don't get these 2 copies on Thursday, I'm calling home, and I'm dead serious about this one, because this is like one of the most important things of the semester. Do you understand?
I'm
Derek, find your seat. I'm talking to the class.
Let's try to do this.
Karen, sit down. I'm talking to the class.
Ah.
You guys, this is how I'm teaching you right now how to study for a math test. You go back over all the problems from your notes, and you redo them, and you make sure you understand them, and then when you come back, you ask your teacher questions. Then you ask your teacher questions. Do you understand how to study for a math test? If you don't study for the math test, and I don't see 2 copies of this, I have to call home.
You have to.
Okay, you guys understand?
I understand.
You all understand? Because if you don't learn this stuff, are you going to
That's
do well on
one
that test